Most people think money is important because it buys things. That's true, but it misses the real story. Imagine two people standing in the same grocery store. They want the same food, they face the same prices, yet one feels calm while the other feels panic rising with every item placed in the cart. The difference isn't the food, it's the money. Earning money is important because money is stored time. Every dollar represents hours of your life converted into something you can use later. Without income, every unexpected expense becomes a threat. A broken car, a medical bill, a rent increase. Small problems suddenly become financial emergencies. And the math is brutal. Prices tend to rise over time. Inflation quietly reduces purchasing power year after year. If your income stays flat while costs climb, you're effectively moving backward even when you're working just as hard. Yet many people chase the appearance of wealth instead of the ability to earn consistently. That's the irony. A luxury car can look rich. A reliable income creates options. And options are what money really buys. The freedom to choose, the ability to adapt, the power to survive uncertainty. Because in a world where everything has a price, the real question isn't how much money you have today, it's how long you can keep earning tomorrow.